Hi everyone, it's Penny Catterall with Order Your Life, and here is this week's digital decluttering video tip. I'm going to focus on email today. I have a lot of clients who have a lot of emails, and they usually just sort of leave them in their inbox, and they tend to overwhelm your computer system and also overwhelm the important email. So one really quick, easy tip to get rid of a lot of email at the same time is to sort your email by from. Usually your email is sorted by date. You'll have the most recent date of the email up at the very top of your email chain. If you use something like Outlook or Apple Mail, you'll be able to do a sort by from, and I believe you can do this in pretty much any other email client as well. So that means that you'll be able to find, for instance, all of your Amazon emails together. Now, a lot of people, when they get an Amazon email that says, your shipment is coming, your shipment has been processed, your shipment is delivered, they don't delete those emails. You really don't need to keep all those emails from Amazon. Amazon has everything having to do with your account on your account. You don't need to keep the emails. So if you find you can sort by from, all the A's will show up together, so you can highlight all your Amazon emails and then just delete them in one fell swoop. You can go ahead and do that for all the G's, for all the Gap emails or all the J.Crew emails. Just sort by from, and then you can delete a whole mass of emails at one time without worrying about what you're getting rid of. So that's my decluttering tip of the week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.